Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for the S&P 500. The date is April 26, 2020. If you want to stay up to date with all of our weekly videos, make sure you click that red subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Okay, so overall my sentiment for S&P 500 futures is bullish to mixed. So let's talk about that. Looking at this weekly chart, right, last couple of weeks, a lot of really serious bullish action. Now we see price kind of stalled a little bit here at this 2,900 mark. So these candles, though, do suggest pretty bullish action. That price will, in fact, pop through this resistance level and come up and at least look to touch this moving average. However, that needs to be proven. So we do see that at right around this number, right? So going back to 2018 or so, we see that actually, yeah, early 2018, we see several tests previously of this number have met some resistance, right? So what we see here is with the recent sell-off, prices have come back up, but now I'll be curious to see, and this week will really tell us. This is kind of what this is the confirmation candle we're waiting on. So this week, if the candle continues here through 2,900, that's very bullish. We should see return to our previous recent highs at around 3,400. However, if price fails to clear that mark, then we could see price decline, fall back into this bullish ascending channel, but it could be quite a ways until price really comes out of that. So let's think about how long that might be. Looking down at our timeline below, we see 2021, 22, maybe possible, so middle of 2022, prices would then pop out if they were to honor this channel. So in order to see price move out of here, we need to see a lot more buying happening, and that will move prices out. Let's go ahead and put a parallel trend channel and talk about, so here's our best case scenario. If we saw this, it would be great in regards to everyone's portfolio right there. If price stays in this tiny little band here to the end of the year and then rockets back out. Because even if price were to go through this week, we need to make sure it remains above, right? That average, the indices average, remains above 2,900, and then we can think more about being back on the bull. So let's keep this trend channel here and think about price. Okay, so this is, we can pull this back a little bit. And so that means this week, if price really stays between 28 to 2,900, really that's fine. We're just building more momentum for our bullish scenario. Right now we are sitting on top of a daily moving average, which is great. But as you can see, right, here's our ceiling, not far away. The first test, price moved back below. So now this week's really going to tell us a lot about what to expect in near-term moves. All right, everyone. I hope you have a great week. Hope you make lots of cash trading, and we will talk soon.